Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Last of Us Part 1 not enough system and video memory error. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to increase virtual memory. Go to search menu and type run and click on open it. In run window you just need to type sysdm.cpl and click on OK and go to advanced option under performance select settings and then go to advanced tab and under virtual memory select change. Uncheck this automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list you just need to select the drive where the game is installed and then select a custom size and go to search menu and type system information, click on open it. In installed physical memory you can able to see how much RAM installed in our PC. In my case 32 GB RAM. After knowing that, just close stuff here and check my video description for this virtual memory settings, installers value and maximum size value. In my case 32 GB RAM I have, so installers value copy and paste in installer size and maximum size copy the value and paste it maximum size and then select the set option. The value should be set under paging file size and then click on OK and select update OK and OK and select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to run the game on your dedicated graphics card. To do this, right click on the game and select open file location and just copy this file path and then just close tab here and go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it. Check the add desktop app option and paste the path we copied and press enter. Then you can able to see your launcher and select it and select add option. Select the added Last of Us and click on the drop down and select high performance. Same thing for the game listed over here. After changing high performance, just close stuff here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to update the graphics driver. To do this, go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the display adapter section and here you can able to see my graphics card name. Now you just need to open up Chrome and search your graphics card brand. In my case, NVIDIA graphics driver. Select the first official site, accept all. In manual driver search, you just need to search for your graphics card model. In my case, RTX 5080 with Windows version. RTX 5080 and I'm using Windows 11, so I typed Windows 11. There are two options listed. RTX 5080 Windows 11, click on it. This is the right one. This is for laptop users. This is for PC users. Click on the PC one and select the find option. And now you just need to scroll down. Under game ready driver, just need to select the view option. Select the download option and it will be download. After the download done, select the driver and install it. Select this NVIDIA graphics driver only and select accept and continue. Select this custom advanced option and select next. Check this perform a clean installation and select next and continue this installation guys. After the installation done, you can launch the game and your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.